you want me to stop, you're gonna have to catch me! Guess that wasn't the smoothest landing.
Oh yeah? Well, who was flying?
I didn't think you'd try and catch me. There's not a blader out there who hasn't heard of the Dark Prince.
So that must mean that you're a blader too.
Well, you don't know? They call him Master of the Wind. He's a blader in PC Soul.
He said there'd be an unusual blader here I'd want to battle. Who could that be?
So I'm unusual now?
Dark Prince!
You may speak.
This is my bay. It's called Whirl Night.
I'll let you battle me right now.
Definitely didn't predict that.
Bro, and this drill is gonna blow you away. We're here at the training room of the Searching Arena.
Where I'll take over. Okay, ready? And set!
3, 2, 1! Let it rip!
Huh? What is that around Whirl Night? Did it just make a...
Whirl Knight's protecting itself with the wind. Good luck landing any hits now.
I'll cast you and your winds into the abyss! Divine Law!
Hellfire attack again! And again! And again!
Wind! Night Fire!
Hang in there, Bellfire! Keep going!
Can you feel the tension? The dark...
Whirl Night with the Survivor finish!
The wind soars to victory! Maybe next time, Belle!
That was a pretty good play. I gotta give it up to Kit.